Good morning students, welcome back to Shadama channel. Now in this video I am posting the complex numbers MCET previous papers problems. Okay, see the question. This is the 9424 shift 1 paper question. Okay, see the problem. The problem is the sum of the square of the modulus of the number of elements in the set Z is equals to A plus IP, A comma B belongs to Z such that Z belongs to C, mod Z minus 1 is less than or equals to 1 and mod Z minus 5 is less than or equals to mod Z minus 5i. Okay. Okay, so the question, what is given in the question, what we have to find? The sum of the squares of the modulus of the elements of the set. Okay. So here I am taking the complex numbers which satisfies this condition. First I am finding all the complex numbers that satisfies these conditions. Okay, and then we are doing the sum of the square of the modulus values, that is sigma mod z square, sum of the squares of the modulus values. Okay, see the solution. So first I am taking the first condition, mod z minus 1 is less than or equals to 1. Okay, and then what is z value? In general we take them z is equals to x plus iv. So x plus iv, of course here given a plus ib, but we take the x plus iv or a plus ib, whatever. So I am taking the x plus iv here. Okay, so find the modulus value to this one. So this is nothing but mod x minus 1 plus iy is less than or equals to 1. Okay, real part plus imaginary part. Find the modulus value, that is square root of real part whole square means x minus 1 whole square plus imaginary part whole square means y square is less than or equals to 1. Okay, now squaring on both sides, then what you get? X minus 1 whole square plus y square is less than or equals to 1. Okay, understand all of you? First take the first condition and replace z is equals to x plus iv, find the modulus value. This is the first condition. Okay, now what it represents, this is x minus 1 whole square plus y square means that is 5 minus 0 whole square. Okay, this is less than or equals to 1, which is in the form of the x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to 1. That is nothing but the equation of the circle with center is equal to 1 comma 0 and r equals to 1. Less than means we have to take all the elements inside of the circle. Understand all of you? This is the circle that is represented by the equation x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is less than or equals to 1. Equals to 1 means that represents the circle. Less than 1 means we have to take all the elements inside of the circle. Less than means we are taking all the elements inside of the circle. Okay, so finally after taking the simplification of the first condition, you will get the equation of the circle. Okay, now take the second condition, mod z minus 5 is less than or equal to mod z minus 5a, and replace z is equals to x plus iv and find the modulus value. Okay, so what is the modulus value to this one? First take the real part, that is x minus 5 whole square plus imaginary part whole square y square. Okay, and find the modulus to this one, that is real part whole square, that is real part whole square x square plus imaginary part y minus 5 whole square. Understand all of you? Now here squaring on both sides, then this square roots are cancelled. Now take the expansions, this x square plus 25 minus 10x a minus b whole square plus y square is less than or equals to x square plus this is 5 minus 5 whole square, that is y square plus 25 minus 10y. Okay, now cut the common terms, that is x square, y square, 25 gets cancelled. Now write the remaining values, that is minus 10x is less than or equals to minus 10y. Okay, now cut the 10 also. Now minus 6 less than or equals to minus 5. Apply the minus 10, then it becomes x. This less than or equals to becomes greater than or equals to x greater than or equals to y. Okay, this is the simplification of the second step. Okay, so first step simplification, you will get the equation of the circle. This x greater than or equals to y means x is equal to y means this is the line that passes through the horizon. Okay, now take the equation of the line also here. This is the x is equals to y line. Greater than or equals to 1 means x greater than or equals to 1 means we have to take all the values like that, the value of the x and value of the y, such that, okay. Now here take the two conditions. So this is the first condition, x minus 1 whole square plus y square equals to 1. Okay, take the equals to case only. Here x equals to y, write the two equations and replace y is equals to x in the circle equation. Then after taking the simplification, what you get? Okay, x minus 1 whole square, take the expansion, x square plus 1 minus 2x plus x square equals to 1. Okay, now here 2x square minus 2x is equal to 0. Take the 2x common. Okay, then you get x is equal to 0 and x is equals to 1. Okay, so these are the point of intersections of the circle and the curve. Okay, we are finding the point of intersections, that is x is equal to 0 means y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 means y equal to 1. Okay, these are the point of intersections of the 0, 0 and x point of intersections of the circle and the line. Okay, now here what is the condition given here? This is less than 1. Circle values, we have to take all the values in this circle, and x greater than y, we have to take all the values which satisfies these conditions also. So these are the also points which satisfies the conditions 1 comma minus 1. In this one, x greater than y, and this value is the point on the circle. Okay, and this is 1 comma 0, x greater than y lies inside of the circle. 2 comma 0, x greater than y, that lies on the circle. Means here these are all the 5 points that satisfies the given two conditions. Okay, so here first I am finding all the values which satisfies the given condition. These are the 5 points. These are the 5 points. Okay, now here, so what's the given question? Once see the question, the sum of the squares of the modulus sigma mod z square, we have to find this value. Okay, so find that value. That is, here you have the 5 z values, z1, z2, z3, z4, z5. Okay, so the given question is we have to find this value, mod z1 square plus mod z2 square plus mod z3 square plus mod z4 square plus mod z5 square. z1, z2, z3, z4, z5 means you have to take these 5 points. Okay, take the first point, 0 square plus 0 square, that equal to 0. Next one, 1 square plus 0 square, that is equals to 1. Next point, 2 square plus 0, that equals to 4. Next one, 1 square plus minus 1 whole square equals to 2. 1 square plus 1 square equals to 2. Finally, with the answer is equals to 9. That's all. The answer of the given question is equals to 9. Okay, very easy question. So here I am extending this problem for the understanding purpose only. This is also the very easy question. We can solve this question very easily by taking only simply these two conditions. These are the EAMCET problems, objective sums. For the understanding purpose only sum ni nenu baga extend chesi meeku solve chesi chupistunanu, కానీ దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటే ఇంత లెంగ్తీగా రాదు. మీకు డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేసి పాయింట్స్ అన్నీ ప్రజెంట్ చేసి మొత్తం క్లియర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కోసం ఇంత టైం పడుతుంది. బట్ వీ కెన్ సాల్వ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజీలీ విత్ 1 to 1.5 minute హియర్. ఓకే, మనం చాలా ఈజీగా డైరెక్ట్గా వీ కెన్ సాల్వ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ వెరీ ఈజీలీ. సో మీకు ఏంటంటే బాగా అర్థం కావడం కోసం, టు గెట్ ద గ్రిప్ ఆన్ ద కంటెంట్, ఇలాంటి కండిషన్స్ ఇచ్చినట్టు మనం హౌ టు సాల్వ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ అని తెలియడం కోసం I am giving the more explanation to these problems. And one more point, already in the before last video or before last video, I posted the same type of question of this condition of this type. Once check that video also. ఒకసారి మీరు ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఇలాంటి కండిషన్ అనేది మెయిన్స్ క్వశ్చన్ ఒకటి నేను పోస్ట్ చేశాను. ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు ఈజీలీ యూ కెన్ సాల్వ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఎవరైతే ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యారో వాళ్ళు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చాలా ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేసేస్తారు. ఓకే, అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ దిస్ ద క్వశ్చన్. నౌ సీ ద నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద 4/9/2020 shift 1 problem. Okay, this is also very easy question. This is IPA concept. Okay, listen. So let u is equals to 2z plus I by z minus k, I when z is equals to x plus I by k greater than 0. If the curve represented by the equation real part of u plus imaginary part of u equals to 1 intersects the y-axis at the points p comma q and also given pq is equals to 5, then what is the value of the k? Where is the equation? So given that this is the complex number, first take the complex number and do the simplification. What is the complex number given here? U is equal to 2z plus I by z minus ik. Okay. Now in the next step, first replace z is equals to x plus iy. Okay. Then what you get? 2x plus I into 2y plus 1 by x plus I into y minus k. Okay. Convert the complex number as in the form of the real part plus imaginary part. Now in the next step, do the rationalization. What is the denominator term here? You have x plus I of y minus k. So apply the value x minus I of y minus k. Okay. Now multiply all the values here. Okay. Multiply the values like that. 2x into x to x square. I into x. 2x into x to x square. Next 2x into I into y minus k. 2x into first value, 2x into second value. Okay. Next imaginary part. That is imaginary part into x, imaginary part into imaginary part. Minus I square. The last value is minus I square means minus of minus plus. Understand all of you. Multiply the values and here a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Okay. Direct type A process. Multiply the two complex numbers first. Okay. Now take the real and imaginary parts. Okay. This is the real part. First value plus last value. And take the I common from the second and third values. Okay. That's the real part and imaginary part. Now what is given here? Real part plus imaginary part equals to 1. Take that condition. That is what is real part. First two values by denominator. Okay. Next what is imaginary part? Next two values by denominator. That is imaginary equals to 1. Okay. Replace the value. Now take the simplification. Okay. Multiply all the values here. Take the LCM and take the simplification. Then you get the equation like that. Understand all of you. Take the simplification. Multiply all the values. Okay. Take the simplification. You get the equation like that. Okay. Now this is the what is given here. The curve represented by this equation intersect the y-axis. So this curve intersects the y-axis means on the y-axis x is equal to 0. Okay. After taking the simplification to this one, we get this answer. Replace x is equal to 0. That is this becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. Write the remaining values y square. Write the remaining values y square plus y minus k square equal to 0. Okay. And also given that the curve intersects the y-axis at the points p comma q. That is here y1 comma y2 are the roots of this equation. Okay. Then what is y1 plus y2? Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by minus 1. y1 into y2 is equals to c by a. Minus of k plus k square by 1. Okay. Here what are the points? P comma q is equals to 0 comma y1 and 0 comma y2. Okay. These are the points. The curve intersects the y-axis at the points p comma q means we are taking the p comma q points like that. And y1 comma y2 are the roots of this equation means take the sum of the product of the roots. And also given that pq is equal to 5. Okay. pq is equal to 5 means what is pq formula? Find the distance between these two points. That is nothing but simply mod y1 minus y2. Okay. Distance is equals to modulus of y1 minus y2. How to find that value? The direct formula is y1 plus y2 whole square minus 4y1 y2. Minus 4y1 y2. Okay, this is the y1 minus y2 whole square formula. Now what is y1 plus y2? We have minus 1 whole square equals to 1. Plus this is 4 into what is y1 y2? K plus k square. Okay. So now take the simplification. This is 4k square plus 4k plus 1. Okay. What is 4k square plus 4k plus 1? 2k plus 1 whole square. Now cut the square and square root. What you get? Only the 2k plus 1. Okay. That is equals to 5. After taking the simplification to this one, what you get? 2k plus 1. That is 2k plus 1 equals to 5. Okay. Understand all of you. PQ value is equals to 2k plus 1. Already given that PQ is equals to 5. After taking the simplification to this one, what you get? 2k plus 1. That is 2k is equals to 4. Then k is equals to 2. Okay, 5 minus 1, 4. Then k is equal to 2. That's all. That is the answer. Finally, you get that the value of the k is equal to 2. Okay, understand all of you? This is also the very easy question. Direct IP calculation. First replace z is equals to x plus iy and taking the rationalization and taking the real part plus imaginary part equals to 1. Do the simplification. Here the condition given is it intersects the y-axis, means replace x is equal to 0. The points are p, q means take the x coordinate equal to 0. PQ is equal to 5 means just take the distance equal to 5. From this equation, take the y1 plus y2, y1 into y2, and by using the two values, find the mod y1 minus y2 value. Then you will get the k value. Understand all of you? This is also the very easy question. Okay. So, every day follow these problems, then you will get the knowledge here. ప్రతిరోజు మీరు ఈ సమ్స్ని ఫాలో చేసుకుంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ ద ప్రిపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎంసెట్ ఇన్ బోత్ మెయిన్స్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్. ఒక్కసారికి మీరు ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలంటే ఇట్స్ హైలీ డిఫికల్ట్ టు ఆల్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ ఫర్ who are going to write the examinations. So daily if you practice like that, then you will get the knowledge first. మీకు ఒక యూ విల్ గెట్ ద నాలెడ్జ్ ఫస్ట్. మీకు డైరెక్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఎలా అప్రోచ్ అవ్వాలనేది అయితే తెలుస్తుంది, మీరు షార్ప్ అవుతారు. సో అందుకోసం ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఎవ్రీడే follow the videos and share these videos to all the friends who are going to write the MCET mains examinations. వాళ్ళకి కూడా చాలా యూస్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ కంటిన్యూ ద నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో. అండ్ దెన్ కీప్ వాచింగ్. బై బై.